In this video, I'll show you how to use planner feature in Trello. Let's get started. You can find the planner feature at the very bottom of your screen. Head over to the planner and click on it. And the size panel will appear on the left hand side. You can adjust the size by dragging to the right. And let's jump over to the Google Calendar. Right now, I don't have any tasks in the Google Calendar. So let's say if I drag this task from Trello board onto the planner, the same task will appear on the Google Calendar as well. By default, it takes the 30 minutes. However, you can extend it very easily by dragging this task like this. And the best part is it's perfect two-way things. So let's say once you update the task, like move it to the 2 p.m., it will automatically update in the Google Calendar as well. It takes time to update in the Google Calendar. So see, so it automatically updated in the Google Calendar as well. It's two-way thing, so if you drag it to the 1 hour, it will also reflect onto the planner task as well. As you can see, the original task remains in the same position. So if you delete this task from planner, it will still stay on the same board. However, when you mark this task as complete, it reflects on the original board. Just keep in mind. That's it. That's how you use the planner feature in Trello. Thank you for watching.